Every day, thousands of parents ask the same heart-shattering question: why did she get her kids back, but mine won't even say my name? You scroll online, you see the reunions, the wins, and you wonder, what am I doing wrong? You've begged, you've sent birthday gifts into silence, you've cried alone after court hearings that felt like death sentences. If that's you, this video might just change everything. Here's the truth that nobody wants to say out loud. It's not luck. It's not some magical shift in the other parent. And it's not because their case was easier. There's one brutal, liberating truth. The parents who reunite don't wait for permission. They change themselves. Not their values, not their love, but their energy, their strategy, their mindset. They make one radical shift, from desperate parent to empowered leader. Because staying stuck in grief is not a flaw. It's a human response to betrayal, to injustice. But grief cannot be your strategy. You know that already. The texts go unanswered, the gifts unopened, and your own child looks through you like you never existed. What you're doing isn't working, and you don't have to keep reliving this. That's where the Revive method comes in. It's not a feel-good idea. It's a step-by-step transformation designed by people who've lived this pain and made it out the other side. Let me break it down. R. Release the trauma response. Break the loop of reaction, learn to act, not react. E. Embrace healing. Not for them, for you. You can't reconnect while carrying emotional shrapnel. V. Verify the root causes. Know exactly what drives your child's distance. Stop guessing, start understanding. I. Improve communication. Use tactical empathy. Speak to be heard, not to defend. V. Vitalize your life. Become the magnetic parent your child is drawn to, without force. E. Execute a reunification strategy, one that works, one that's yours. This isn't theory. We've seen it happen again and again. A mom in Belgium went 13 years without a word from her son. When he became a father, she was shut out of that life too. But after working with us, she stopped chasing. She stopped begging. She started asking a new question. What does he need from me? Not what do I need from him? That changed everything. She met her grandson. She's rebuilding trust. Day by day, another parent hadn't heard a single word from their teen in 2 years. After just 2 sessions, they had a full conversation. Tears, laughter, a plan to reconnect. It wasn't luck, it was Revive. If your heart is breaking, if you're exhausted from doing everything right and still losing, then maybe it's time to stop surviving and start reviving. This method was built by reunited parents and formerly alienated kids. We get it, because we were it. You don't have to do this alone. Take the first step and click the link in the description to book a call with us. Hope isn't lost, it's just waiting for a plan.